Unboxing time naman tayo mga guys, pero i-fast forward na natin because gagamitin natin ito sa aking baby. So hulaan nyo guys kung ano tong ating i-unbox, pero I know some of you alam na ito. Bumili ako nito guys for the protection of my baby. Syempre ayaw ko siyang magkasakit kaya bumili agad ako nitong i-unbox ko pa lang. So yung shape nito guys is in triangular form and I know you have idea about this. Or might be you have this in your house and you are also using it to your baby. It's a great thing to have this in our house guys, especially if we have our baby for protection and keep our baby away from sickness. So diba mga guys, I know you have already the idea. Medyo natagalan ako guys sa pag-unbox kasi balot na balot talaga siya and napakalapad niya. And further guys, I also enjoyed the packaging because it is in a bubble wrap, so I enjoy playing with it. Kasi guys, when I was a kid, I was given a gift or some gifts which is the package is in a bubble wrap. So I am enjoying playing with it and I can still remember that before I am going to throw the bubble wrap, it's already flat, which is I remove the air of the wrap. So, ayan na guys, at malapit na natin siyang mabuksan. Ayan at lumabas na yung color white with the edge of blue. So, comment na lang kayo guys if you knew this item, if you are correct. Napakalapad niya pala guys kung siya ay bubuksan mo o i-unbox mo. Ayan, triangle shape yung kanyang form. And if you are going to use it guys, this thing, it can cover 2 babies or might be 3 will do. So enjoy na enjoy talaga ako dyan sa pag-unbox and hindi ko naman nasasabing enjoy na enjoy but I was smiling when I am opening it. Kasi I was thinking that this will be utilized by my baby. So, yun lang talaga yung iniisip ko, yung kapakanan niya. That's the goal of the parent, to protect his or her son or daughter and to secure and give security and protection. And syempre, guidance as well. So, ayan guys, at na-remove ko na siya doon sa bubble wrap, which is color black kanina. So, ngayon ay in a form of triangle shape na tayo, yung ating blank. So, yung outcome guys is here. Ayan, so ito yung outcome natin guys. Ayan, cover na cover talaga yung aking baby dyan. So, I knew na tama yung inyong guess of this item. So, ayan guys, and I am using it now. So, sa akin, hindi siya kasya kasi matanda na talaga ako guys. Well, hindi naman guys, mataas lang talaga yung height ko kaya hindi ako abot ng ating item. Alright, so that's all guys about my sharing and unboxing vlog. Thank you always for watching my videos.